Hi friends, this is MK and this is MK View. Please like, share and subscribe if you like it. Otherwise send some comments. And today we are going to talk about same-sex marriage. This is going to be a bit controversial, and so weak-hearted, please go away. And if you get more angry, just have an ice cream and sit in the couch, think for 2 minutes. Then post a comment and we'll have a chat more about that. And what is same-sex marriage? Yeah, male and male, and female, and yeah, that is same-sex marriage. And when I studied my subject undergraduation, the definition of marriage is a union of male and female. But when I searching now, it says a union of two people. So what is two people? Is it a male and male, or female and female, or male and female? I want to talk about this, and in my opinion, this is against law of nature. When you see the evolution or the history of human beings, first started the relationship between women and children. That is only mom and children. Then they added father because they need some protection. So that's how the family came. We call marriage family as an institution. Apart from this, we have few other institutions, but mostly family and marriage are very important, and that's how family evolved and marriage evolved. Marriage, as I said, it was, and for 2000, 3000, 4000 years, it was like a union of man and a woman. Today it is different. That's not my problem. Some 2 weeks before, I met a friend and he asked me, "Are you married?" I said, "Yes, I'm married, have 3 children." Then the second question was, "You married to a man or a girl?" I said, "Of course, girl." And marrying a man is not a marriage. And that is my problem. Actually, the same-sex marriage people, you stole my identity, marriage. This is what I want to talk. And 3 days, 4 days before in the news, I read American girl who wanted to marry and she is in love with her cousin, which we call incest or taboo. And but she said, "No, I don't care about anyone. I want to marry my cousin." And even though it is incest or taboo, I love them so much. Yes, of course, if your same-sex marriage is recognized, why not that one? And I want to marry 10 girls. Do you allow me? My wife says yes. Okay, go for it. That 10 girls says yes, we don't have problem. But law, what about law? So do I have to fight? Or can I marry 10, 12, 100? Is that allowed? No, because we are practicing monogamy. Everything. With this one, I think we are going back from civilized to the cave culture, where people didn't have any relationship. They just children and mother, and all the men from the clan, they go hunt and come with the food, and they feed the clan. Now, I think I have rights to talk about this because in this world, we have more than 195 countries. And according to United Nations, it recognizes 251 nations in this world. But only 29 nations have approved this same-sex marriage. Again, I am telling you, I am not against same-sex marriage. When you see 4,000 years of human history, we had this, but it was hidden. They didn't come out and ask for rights and marriage. What I am telling is, you stole my identity, marriage, the term marriage. Man and man, we call it gay. Women and women, we call it lesbians. You go by that word, or you tell lesbarage, garage. Why do you want my term definition, the marriage? You stole my term marriage. Again, I am telling you. And the second thing here is the children. And everything, this is you are telling, this is my choice. So I'm marrying a man. That's fine. Did you ask that child? Do you want father, father, mother, mother, or mom and dad? So you are not concerned about the choice of that child. And once again, if you need a child, if you want, you have to adopt or you have to borrow a child from somewhere else, which is a problem. You can adopt, but the problem is for the child. He or she has to call mom, mom, dad, dad. What is this? Against the law of nature. So you guys have to think. Take the term marriage. Why do you want to recognize your union between a man and girl as a marriage? Keep something. Keep some other term which defines your relationship. You got it? Thank you. If you are very, very angry, or if you think this is very controversial, please post a comment. I am happy to debate on this. This is my right. This is against law of nature. Thank you, and see you in my next video.